Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. In today's training, I want to teach us how to add a live chat to our website. Alright, so I want to teach us today how to add a live chat to our WordPress website. Right, so this will enable visitors to engage you while you are away. Alright, so this is the training I will be doing today. I will be teaching how to add a live chat to our WordPress website. Okay, so there are so many live chat out there. If you go to Google and you type live chat, all right, there are so many of them out there. There are so many of them. You have a Tidio, you have a Tidio chat, have Tidio, have Tidio chat, have Tidio chat. You can see this is a Tidio chat. All right, let me click on it. You have Tidio chat, you have a talk, you have talk. Where is it? Talk, you have talk. All right, you can see this is a Tidio chat. This is what I'm talking about. All right, so that is what I will be teaching us today, how to install and how to install on our WordPress website. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I would really want us to do this thing as soon as possible. Okay, let's move over. Now I'll go to my dashboard, backend of my website. All right, so go back there. I'll go to the backend of my website. Then I'll go to plugin and I'll click on what? Add new. Okay, click on add new. All right, I will do this. Click on add new. Then I will come here and I will do what? I will search for Tidio. Right, I will search for Tidio. Before then, let me quickly visit the front end of the website so that you can see how it is. This is the front end of the website. Right, this is the front end of the website. As you can see, there is no live chat here or anything. There is no live chat. You can see there is no live chat. So what I want to integrate now, I want to teach us how to do now is how to add the live chat to our WordPress website. So I haven't seen the front end of the website now. Looking at it from the top to the bottom, there's nothing like that. There's nothing like that. So let me quickly show us how to do that. So we'll go to this place and go to click on add new. Like I said, go to plugin, click on add new, and you click on what? Search for Tidio. Once you search for it, this will come up. You can see live chat, chatbot, and email integration. So I will click on install now. Click on install now. All right, and I will also do activate. All right, so once you install, you also activate. Okay, so once you're done with that, all right, you see the live chat, see the Tidio. Right, it will be here. Okay, the next thing now what to do is to what? I will click on it. Click on the Tidio chat so that I can configure it. All right, so you see what is asking us was create email account. I will just use email at expertsolutions@gmail.com. Okay, sorry. Oh, that's at expertsolutions.com. All right, then I will copy this, put it there, then I'll add. All right, then I will say get started. I'll click on get started. Okay, I'll save that. See, so configure, I will change it from what? Info to what? Live chat. To what? Live chat. Okay, change to what? Live chat. Then what color do I want? You can see what color do I want. I can come here, let me use this. Right, this is the color I want, so I will do that. English is already selected, and I will do what? If you want to add a picture, you can upload a picture. Let me quickly look for female lady on call. Okay, then I'll come here. Okay, all right, let me just go to this site on splash.com and click on this site. All right, female lady on call hobby. Okay, let me just use this word, lady on call. Okay, all right, so let me see what I have there. Let me see what I have. I think I need a good picture. Let me just use this one. Okay, I'll download. Is it downloaded? All right, so downloaded. So next thing is I'll come here, click on select. Click on select picture. I'll go to download. Go to download, and I'll go to select this. Let's see. All right, you can see that. Then I'll hit what, continue. All right, that's the email. That's this. All right, can you just select this? All right, you can see agency. Okay, just getting started. Live chat. What's it called? Automate conversation. All right, so you click on continue. I'll just greet them warmly, and I will also what, click on install widgets. All right, so it's installing. All right, that is done. Okay, that is done. Now let's go to the site and see how it is. I refresh this now. You can see it. You can see it now. You can see it. So that is how to install a live chat on our WordPress website. Okay, so you can see it now. As you click on it, you see the picture added, and from there you start automating the conversation. All right, so that is how to install a live chat to our WordPress website. Thank you so much for